Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can zoom in and out with Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and what you can do if you are using keyboard and mouse, then with the mouse, all you have to do is just with your wheel, your scroll wheel on your mouse, you just scroll up and down, and you can zoom in and out. Now, at the time of this recording, it appears that there is no zoom function or a very limited zoom function if you are using controller only. It's possible that this is due to the fact that it's in early access. Maybe they will add this functionality later, but at the time of this recording, the zoom function is disabled or it is very limited when it comes to using a controller. If you have a mouse and you're finding that you are unable to zoom, then something you might want to take a look at is here under interface. You could see the option here, mouse wheel zoom. Right now it is on, but you might want to check to see if this is on or off. If you're unable to use that mouse scroll, then that might be where the problem is coming from. Otherwise, just up and down on the scroll wheel, and that's how you can zoom in Path of Exile 2. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.